Hi people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl Mama. What's up? In today's video I'm going to show you how I make this beautiful delicious roasted chicken. So my beautiful people, to begin I will start by washing the meat, and as you can see I just removed this meat, the chicken meat from the freezer. Is blocked. Yeah, and this chicken is a little bit hard, is the hard one, so you can use any chicken of your choice for this recipe. It doesn't matter. Yeah, so I will just go ahead and soak it in a hot warm water. At this stage, I'm just making sure that there is no hairs from the chicken. So I'm just removing anything that I don't need from the chicken. Yeah, and the excess fats. Okay, guys. And before then, don't forget to wash your chicken with salt, because I soaked this chicken with some salt. Yeah, for quite some time, just to make sure that it's well cleaned. Yeah. So guys, at this stage I will go ahead and cut part of the legs out. Yeah, just a little part of the legs out and the fingers. Yeah, so keep watching, and this is optional. If you want, you can do it. If you prefer to gray yours like that, it's still okay. So keep watching, guys. As you can see, I also cut a little part of the neck out. Yeah. So before I forget, let me quickly welcome my new viewers. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please, let's be friends by smashing that sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos like this. I normally upload videos on weekly basis. And to my OG returning subscribers, I see you. Thank you so much. God bless you for always tuning in. I so much appreciate each and every one of you. So keep watching, guys. So final stage, so please don't forget to cut out this part. It's very important. Honestly, I would advise, is very good to cut it out, even though you want to skip other parts, but that part is very important. At this stage, I'm done with the cleaning of the chicken. So next is to make sure you dry up the water with some kitchen rolls, just making sure there is no trace of water. As you can see, I'm just drying it up with some kitchen rolls. Yeah, so keep watching. So guys, at this stage I will go ahead with the seasoning. What I'm adding right now is black pepper. Add as much as you want. Yeah. Next is to add my chili powder. I want the chicken to be a little bit spicy. At this stage, just go ahead and add any seasonings you want, anything you want to season it with. Next is my garlic and ginger paste together, mixed together. I got it in African shop for we living in diaspora in Europe. You can also get this in any shop where you are staying. I don't know, it's my first time of using it, so that is it, guys. The next is adding in my Maggi seasoning, and you guys know that I don't eat any other type of Maggi apart from Maggi chicken and Maggi cow brown. Next is my barbecue spice I got from African shop here. Yeah, so I will add it as much as I want. Okay guys, so keep watching. So guys, at this stage I will be adding in some olive oil. You can also use cooking oil, it doesn't matter, but in this recipe I use olive oil. Okay, so keep watching. Final one is my kitchen glory. Is a seasoning powder. It's very nice. Yeah, I love using it for my chicken. Okay, so at this stage I'm going to apply all the seasonings, mix everything, make sure it goes round very well inside the chicken, like massage it very well, let them marinate together. Just rub it in and make sure all the seasonings marinate inside the chicken, as in penetrate inside the chicken very well. Okay guys. So after doing this, I will allow the chicken to rest for 1 hour, and you can leave yours as long as you want. So keep watching.
1 hour later.
So it's 1 hour later. I'm going to transfer it into my oven and bake for about 40 minutes and with 180 degrees. So keep watching.
20 minutes later.
So after 20 minutes, this is how the chicken is looking. I'm going to apply some oil and turn it to the other side and allow it to grate for another 20 minutes.
Twenty minutes later.
So my wonderful people, at this stage the chicken is ready and you can see how yummy is looking. I just remove it out from the oven. Yeah, so here is the final look. So beautiful, so yummy, so delicious. In fact, the outcome is something else. The outcome is mouth-watering. Oh my goodness. So my beautiful people, thank you so much for watching. If you watched this video to this extent, I heart you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Don't forget to share your thoughts at the comment section down below. At this stage, I believe I've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to like, share your thoughts at the comment section down below. See you guys in my next upcoming video, because as of now I am out. Bye. Ciao.